Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Principles of management, we have learned first planning, then after that organizing. Planning chapter we have completed. Now we'll go for organizing. Organizing means what? Organizing all the things in a proper way so that the organization can achieve their objectives. That's we call it as organizing in simple words. Shall I give you one more example? You have to organize your business, you have to organize your home, you have to organize your room also, study room, bedroom, anything. Means everything is arranged in a systematic way so that we can be comfortable with the things. Now if you take the organization, how do we organize? Means there are many things like material things, non-material things. Non-material means you can take human beings like manpower, okay, and material things like money, machine, okay. So all these things together we have to organize in such a way that we have to achieve our organization ambition, whatever we have to achieve that. Sometimes we have to delegate the authority, sometimes we have to give the power to the others, and they have to work together, and everything should go in a systematic way. Coordination is necessary, communication is necessary, and there should not be any kind of lack. So that's the right way to organize the things. In official language we can say what is organizing, means one sentence you can learn. Organizing is the establishment of authority, relationship. It's the establishment of authority, relationship among persons to achieve organizational objectives. Remember, authority, relationship among the persons to achieve organizational objectives. This is organizing. Now, what are these organization things and how do we manage it? So, few things we must learn. For that, characteristics or nature of organization we'll see. Then after that, principles of organization and also types of organization. First, characteristics or nature. How do we understand what is organization? Simple 5 points you can understand. First one is division of work. In every organization, all the work cannot be given to such a particular person. Though he might be expertise, he is having ample knowledge, he is having good experience, whatever it may be. You cannot give all the work to particular person or persons. Division of work, that is decentralization. This is must in every organization. You do your work, rest of the work you assign to somebody, and so that they'll work you can just organize it. So that is division of work, important thing. But before dividing the work, you must be very careful who is the right person, who is having the skills, to whom we can assign, to whom you can rely. All these things considered, then you can go for the division of work. Second one is coordination. Coordination between all the employees. All the employees. Things should go smoothly. Work should go smoothly. And there should be good coordination between the employees. Employees in the sense, same kind of employees you can take, and authority also you can take. A good understanding, a good coordination. This is must to run the organization smoothly without any hurdles, without any hassles. Okay, so that's coordination. Next, common objectives. Every organization is having objectives, but the same objective should be followed by the entire organization. Those objectives we say it as a common objectives. Common objectives. This is what we have to achieve. Everyone knows it. Everyone has to work for that common objectives, they have to achieve it. So this is also another character. Next, cooperative relationship. The relationship between the employees, the relationship between the organization authorities and the subordinates, so that should go very smoothly. There should not be any kind of hurdles. Suppose say the relationship may be horizontal or vertical. What is horizontal? You might have learned already. Horizontal means, suppose A is the boss, under A there is one employee, he is B, and under B C is next employee. So this is, we say it as vertical. Authority flows from top to bottom. This is vertical authority. Sometimes horizontal authority. Horizontal authority means suppose A is the boss. A has appointed B for one department and appointed E for another department, appointed F for one more department, like different departments, different authorities A has appointed. All are working under the authority of A. So this is horizontal. Horizontal means here B is not whole and soul. Along with B, there are few more authorities. This is suppose say finance department, HR department, production department, different heads are there. Then we say it as a horizontal. Whether it's a vertical or horizontal relationship, but remember always that should have a good cooperative relationship. Then only we'll be able to achieve our goals. Okay, so that's about cooperative relationship. Next, well defined authority responsibility relationship. Here well defined authority and responsibility. Authority is given. Along with authority, what to do? It has to be accompanied with the responsibility. If both are there, then we can expect some good result. We can make them responsible. We can expect good things. If this is not going to happen, then what is the reason behind that? So that also we can come to the one conclusion. So in that way, well defined authority and responsibility. So this relationship is must. These are the main 5 important characteristics. And principles also there. Organizing, how do you manage the organization? For that, organizing or organization principles are there. Total 10 principles are there. We must be aware of these principles. 10 principles. Okay, principles of organization. First one, principle of objective. Objective means organization objective. Some ambition, some achievement, some target is there. So that target, keep it in mind and you have to work for that. That we say it as a principle of objective. Who has to work for this objective? Is it only the directors of the company or managing directors or higher authority, top level management? Is it? Not only those, everyone, top to bottom or bottom to top, everyone must be aware about these objectives and they have to work for that. That is what saying the principle of objective. If everyone is doing collectively, you can expect good result, right? Next one, principle of specialization. Principle of specialization means work is assigned to particular person, but that particular person must be specialized in that area. He must be specialized, he must be expertised. If he is specialized, then we can make him responsible and he is well versed in that area. He can give the best of his services, he can share the best of his knowledge. If anything goes wrong also, we can make him responsible, isn't it? That is why this principle of specialization is says that you appoint those employees who are expertise in that particular area. If they are not expertised, if they do not have knowledge, then things may goes in a wrong way. Next one, principle of coordination. Coordination, proper coordination is must. Coordination between the employees, higher authority, as I said, whether it's a vertical or horizontal, whatever it may be, a proper coordination, proper understanding, proper communication, this is going to be helpful for every organization. That has to be maintained. And also principle of authority relationship, just now we discussed about these two things. Coordination covered already, and well defined authority response, same point we got it here. Principle of authority relationship, give the authority and also make him responsible. Okay, so the relationship of this. Next, span of control. Span of control means here every authority person, every supervisor, or you can say, so he should be given some authority, he should be given some work, and it should be defined properly. How many employees are working under his authority? Suppose supervisor X is a supervisor. Under his supervision, suppose say 15 employees are working. 15 employees. This is, we call it as a span of control. Means X is controlling 15 employees. At the same time, span of control is saying that X is controlling 15. Okay, is he capable to that? Is he in a position to handle the 15 members? Is there any kind of disturbance, or is there any kind of lack, or any kind of improper way of handling the things, or anything is happening? Then let us know. Let us make the changes. This is what span of control. Controlling means every authority is controlling certain people. Who are they? So that you have to identify in the span of control. Next one, principle of balance. Balancing all the things is saying that principle of balance. Principle of balance is also saying that everything should go smoothly. Wherever there is any difficulty, that has to be handled properly in the right time, right people, right decision, so that the problem should not be goes in a lengthy way, and it should not harm the organization, so that there is no replaceability, there is no uh, handling of the things that should not be there. In that way, principle of balance is saying. Next one, principle of continuity. Organization means it's not temporary. We expect that it has to run in a long run. So that is why principle of continuity says that the organization goes in a long run, and you have to maintain that continuity. Any kind of problems comes, you define the problem, you understand the problem, short term problem or medium term problem or long term problem, identify, and for every problem you should be ready for the solution also. In that way you have to handle the things. Principle of continuity. Next, principle of uniformity. Principle of uniformity says every organization is having certain rules and regulations. The same rules and regulations has to follow by the entire organization. No changes, no differences. Law or certain rules and regulations already prepared that has to be distributed to all the employees. They have to follow it. This is principle of uniformity. Next, principle of unity of command. Unity of command says that every employee is having some authority. Every employee is having some authority. Suppose say employee P, employee Q, employee R. Three employees are there. Three employees are having one boss. That boss is here X. X is the boss. So all these employees are having only one boss. Some other boss are like say Y. Y is boss of another department. These three people are responsible to X only. Y should not come to PQ or directly and instructing or giving some responsibility. This should not happen, because these people are responsible to X. If suppose Y is having some work with these people, then what to do? We are saying that as per this principle, unity of command, he should not meet these people directly, because they are responsible for their boss, that is X only. Then what to do? Y has to approach X. Through X, the work should be done through these people. So this is, we say it as a principle of unity of command. Am I clear? Next one, principle of exception. Principle of exception says that board of directors are there in an organization. Okay? Board of directors, BOD. They should not interfere in any of the activities. Board of directors, suppose they are going to X, A, or they are going to F, B, E, C. They should not interfere directly. This is saying principle of exception. Only in exceptional cases they can approach the downside people. Otherwise, they are responsible, or they are eligible. They have the right to approach the next authority only. Under board of directors, say executive manager is there, they can contact him only. Sometimes only in exceptional cases they want to talk to the production manager. Yes, only in some exceptional cases, not regular. They don't have any right to interfere in regular activities of the other employees who are working under somebody's authority. This is principle of exception. Am I clear? Principles of organization, total 10 are there. Objective, specialization, coordination, authority and relationship, control, balance, continuity, uniformity. unity of command and execution. 10 principles. Apart from that, we should discuss types of organization also. Types of organization, two types of organizations are there. One is formal organization, informal organization. Formal organization means everything is systematically going. Organization is prepared some rules and regulations, and everything is as per the law, as per the authority. Formally it is assigned. Everyone knows that this is happening, the work is given to so and so people, they are responsible for that, by so and so time they have to finish it, they got the circular, they are responsible. Like everything is going in a formal way. That is formal organization. Second one is informal organization. Informal, the word itself is saying informal means things are going, people are talking behind the organization, behind the board of directors, behind the employees, or something is going on, rumors you can say. Sometimes it can be rumors, sometimes it can be some reliable information, but officially it is not mentioned. That is informal organization. Both the things are acceptable in any organization. Things are there, we cannot escape, we cannot avoid it. But anyhow, in depth of these types of organizations we'll be discussing in the next class in detail. First we'll focus on the formal, then informal organization. Got some understanding? Simple, easy things. Once if you decide that this is organization, things are going like this, it's very easy to understand. So see you in the next class. Stay connected. Good luck.